Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with the Dyson 360 Vis Nav. If you're interested in the Vis Nav, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. And you can check out our new robot vacuum comparison tool to help you with all of your shopping. So, we're in the Dyson app right now. We have our unit set up in the spot in the house where we want it, with all of the doors open, all the rooms that we want mapped. And we already obviously have it connected to the robot. So the next thing we have to do is step 2 right here, map your home. So it's going to walk you through what is mapping. There's a little video you can watch. We're going to hit continue. It walks you through how to position your dock. We're going to hit next. How to place your robot on the dock. Next. How to prepare your home. Next. Good to know. And then now select start mapping. So here we go, it's preparing, it's gonna go out, it's gonna start mapping, and then once it's done, it's gonna come back to the station and we'll look at the map. So here we go, now we just wait for it to finish mapping. All right, so just finished mapping, we're back on this screen, and now we have to go to step 3, confirm. So make sense of your map, we'll hit next. Next, is your home mapped properly? There's the charger, there's the bedroom, bathroom, hallway, stairwell, kitchen, family room. This took 20 minutes, by the way, so if you have a larger floor print, maybe 2 or 3 more bedrooms, I'd expect it to take a lot longer. That looks great, though, so we're going to confirm. Divide your map into zones, so we can hit next. Is your map ready to zone? We're going to start zoning. So it's so interesting. It makes us place all the dividers for the rooms and such. That's interesting that I can barely... All right. So that's going to be that one. First, define your zones. Let's go here and make another zone. Okay, that's good. Now let's do another zone. I'll do a zone there. And then I'll do a zone here in the bathroom. And I'm happy with that. So next, select labels. I don't want to select labels if I don't have to. Looks like they're going to make me. So we will. So we'll just call that hallway. Now this is the bathroom. This, living room, bathroom, kitchen. Hit continue. Cleaning zones created. Let's name your map. Home is fine. Complete zoning, and now we can hit complete, and there we go. Our map is all set and ready to go, and now we can start cleaning.